The Education Ministry has identified the schools affected by the first wave of floods that recently hit 9 states. Its Minister Fadhlina said the ministry is now assessing the cost of damages.
First wave ni, gelombang pertama, kita dah ada bilangannya, cuma sedang dikenal pasti dari segi unjuran kos yang terlibat, dan kita sedang membuat persiapan untuk kemungkinan-kemungkinan yang lain, dan setakat hari ini saya berpuas hatilah dengan semua persiapan yang telah pun kita laksanakan.
Yesterday, Second Finance Minister Datuk Sri Amir Hamzah Azizan said the Finance Ministry would collaborate with MOE to channel immediate assistance to repair schools damaged by the floods so that they could resume operations as soon as possible. Fadhlina expressed satisfaction with the preparations made by MOE so far, including activating Operations Payung to ensure the smooth conduct of the science practical test for the Sijil Pelajaran Malaysia examination scheduled during the anticipated second wave of floods.
Jadi minggu depan kita ada ujian amali sains dan juga diikuti oleh ujian bertutur bahasa Inggeris. Jadi persiapan dalam keadaan yang sangat baik, alhamdulillah.
The Malaysian Meteorological Department had earlier issued a warning of continuous rain until Wednesday in 7 states: Kelantan, Terengganu, Pahang, Perlis, Kedah, Perak and Johor, which could potentially trigger a second wave of floods.